Did you know there's a stunning island in Southeast Asia with crystal clear waters but barely any tourists? If you're tired of crowded spots, stay tuned because I'm about to reveal some hidden gems that will blow your mind. Welcome to the world of Southeast Asia's hidden gems. While most travelers flock to the popular spots like Bali or Phuket, there are so many breathtaking places that remain off the radar. These destinations are not only beautiful but offer a unique, untouched experience. Most people think that to truly experience Southeast Asia, you have to stick to the famous destinations. But the truth is, these places are often overcrowded, expensive, and sometimes lose their authentic charm due to mass tourism. What if I told you that some of the best travel experiences come from places that aren't even on the tourist map? By stepping off the beaten path, you can discover hidden beaches, rich cultures, and unspoiled nature that will give you a completely different perspective of Southeast Asia. Let's dive into 10 hidden gems that deserve a spot on your travel bucket list. 1. Koh Rong Samloem, Cambodia, a serene island with untouched beaches perfect for a peaceful retreat. 2. Banaue Rice Terraces, Philippines, often called the eighth wonder of the world. These terraces are an ancient engineering marvel. 3. Pai, Thailand, a quaint mountain town that offers hot springs, waterfalls, and a laid-back atmosphere. 4. Tajian Islands, Indonesia, pristine islands with world-class diving spots and rich marine life. 5. Bagan, Myanmar, famous for its thousands of ancient temples scattered across the plains offering stunning sunrises. 6. Nai Binh, Vietnam, known for its limestone karsts and river landscapes. It's like Ha Long Bay but without the crowds. 7. Siquijor Island, Philippines, a mystical island known for its beaches, waterfalls, and healing traditions. 8. Kanchanaburi, Thailand, a historic town near the River Kwai, home to waterfalls and the infamous Wabuitu Railway. 9. Raja Ampat, Indonesia, a diver's paradise with coral reefs considered some of the most biodiverse in the world. 10. Luang Namtha, Laos, a paradise for eco-tourists, with dense jungles and opportunities for trekking and village homestays. Each of these spots offers something different, from serene landscapes to thrilling adventures. But if I had to choose one hidden gem that truly encapsulates the beauty and cultural richness of Southeast Asia, it would be the Banaue Rice Terraces in the Philippines. These terraces, carved by hand over 2,000 years ago, are a testament to the ingenuity of ancient Filipinos. Imagine watching the sunrise over these lush green steppes, feeling connected to a rich history while being surrounded by nature's splendor. It's an experience that can't be replicated in any of the crowded tourist spots. So there you have it, 10 hidden gems in Southeast Asia that offer a unique blend of beauty, culture, and adventure. From pristine beaches to ancient temples, each destination has something special to offer those willing to explore beyond the usual tourist trail. Which of these hidden gems caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel content and check out my other videos for even more tips on exploring Southeast Asia's wonders.